Okay, hello YouTube, hello America, hello the world. This is Eric at FlexPVC. What I'm going to do here is I'm going to attempt in one shot to show you how to hook up PVC pipe to your shop vac. Okay, I don't know if all shop vacs are the same, although most of the ones I've seen are or very similar. What I'm using is a Fernco, just as a standard Fernco 2-inch couple. Part number is 1056-22. Took the one band off it. Okay, now if you fight and struggle, you can get this on here, but you really got to fight and struggle to get it on. I don't want to do that every time I want to do this. So what I'm doing is I'm going to trim the bottom. There's a lip here. The only reason you need the lip is for when you hook up your hose, it clips on. This is what keeps the hose from falling out. The button here is always on the top, so to have this down here is not needed. And if you fight to try and get these on, you'll find out you're almost there except for the last little bit. So what I'm going to do is I'm going to snip this off right here using tin snips like that. Now I don't know how much I'm going to have to take off, but I'm not taking off too much. I'm just getting the big stuff off. Then I'm going to use a file to get a little more off it. And I'll use my knife just a little bit more. There we go. Now, before I had this almost on without taking this little piece off here, so I should be able to get this on. The problem is I have to push really hard, which is going to push the shop back up against the wall. I will try to get this on without doing that. If I had some silicone, I would use it, but all I got is spit. So that's what I'm going to try and use. Okay, so holding it, working it around. Let's see, we'll get on the top first, working it around. Almost there, almost there. Okay, so I'm pushing in the middle, in from the inside. There we go. Okay, so what I did was I pushed just a little bit with my finger to get it up from the inside out, like this. Okay, and now it's on there. And that's on pretty good. If you want to put the clamp on it, you can, but I don't know that it's really, well, it might be needed, because if your shop vac is going to be pulled around, moved around, or you're going to have your pipe on it, then you'll probably want to clamp this. And the nice thing about this, the Fernco, is that this is meant for 2-inch pipe right here. Yeah, okay. This is meant for 2-inch pipe. So you can put 2-inch pipe in there, or you can put some of the different adapters we have. 1432-020 and 460-020. Those will go right in here much easier than you just saw. It's a little tight, but they'll go in. It's not too bad. I wish I had a nut driver. Don't have one here. Okay, let's see if this is big enough to go around. Yeah, okay. There we go. So if I put this in here, if I can find a place to get the screw, there we go. Again, I wish I had a nut driver. This will work. So anyway, so the Fernco is the 1056-22, standard 2-inch couple, pipe couple, PVC and what's called IPS, iron pipe size pipe. Okay, so it's on there good. Alright, I probably could pull it off if I wanted to, but it's doing pretty tight. There. So now you would hook up your PVC 2-inch pipe that goes into here, and after that it's real easy. Okay, so I hope this helped somebody. I know I helped at least one customer. Anybody else? I hope it helped you too. Alright, thanks for watching. This has been Eric at FlexPVC.